Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are going to learn the difference between present simple and present continuous. These two tenses are very common in English, and after this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one. Let's start with the present simple. We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, facts, and things that happen regularly. These are actions that are normal or repeated. The structure is very easy. Subject plus base verb. Remember, for he, she, and it, we usually add s or es to the verb. For example, I drink coffee every morning. She works in a bank. They play football on Sundays. Notice the time expressions, every morning, on Sundays, every day. These words tell us the action is repeated. Now let's look at the present continuous. We use this tense for actions happening right now, temporary situations, or actions that are still in progress. The structure is subject plus am is or are plus verb plus ing. Here are some examples. I am reading a book. She is studying now. They are playing outside. The word now tells us the action is happening at this moment. So, what is the key difference? The present simple describes habits, routines, facts, and repeated actions. The present continuous describes actions happening now or temporary situations. Here's a simple trick to remember. If you hear words like every day, usually, always, or often, you will probably use the present simple. If you hear words like now, right now, at the moment, or currently, you will probably use the present continuous. Look at these two sentences. I study every day. This means studying is my habit. Now compare it with I am studying now. This means I am doing it at this moment. Let's practice together. I eat breakfast every morning. Which tense is this? That's right. Present simple. Now listen. I am eating breakfast right now. Correct? Present continuous. Keep practicing these two tenses every day, and soon choosing the correct one will become easy and natural.